Hello everyone and welcome to my YouTube channel. Today we are going to discuss about how to fix Snapchat deactivate account 72 hours problem. For example, if you want to deactivate or delete your account permanently on Snapchat, and after that as you try to delete your account, this is shown that security restriction, please try again from this device after 72 hours, which means if you get this kind of error, so how you can fix that error. So why this error occurs when you try to deactivate your account within 72 hours of deactivating earlier. For example, if you have simply deactivated your account before 72 hours and you want to try again within 72 hours, then this kind of error will occur. So if you want to fix that error, then what you have to do, you have to simply watch this video completely. So without wasting any time, let's start the video. So first of all, you have to simply make sure that you are connected to a proper Wi-Fi internet connection. And after that, what you have to do, you have to simply make sure that you have installed the latest version of the Snapchat. For this, you have to simply search for the Snapchat in the App Store. And after that, what you have to do, you have to simply make sure that it is not showing any kind of update. And if it is showing any kind of update, then you have to simply update the Snapchat. And after updating, then what you have to do, you have to simply make sure that you have not deactivated your Snapchat account within 72 hours. But you have, if you have done that, then you have to wait for 72 hours so that you can simply deactivate or delete your account again. So this is the error which can be solved only by waiting for 72 hours. If you try to deactivate your account again within 72 hours, this error will occur again. So you have to simply have patience, and after that you can simply try after 72 hours and you will be able to deactivate or delete your Snapchat account. So hope you have liked this video. When you get more videos like these, you can subscribe our channel.